Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First off, Happy New Year. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a vision board. You can make a vision board using PicMonkey. Yeah, it's an app. There are other apps, but then I used PicMonkey in this video. So stay tuned so that you can see how to make a vision board, because this is about smashing things, you know? Yeah. So yeah, stay tuned.
First up, we'll go to the app Pick Money. Yeah, and from here you can choose like the canvas you want. First of all, blank canvas. Then you can pick like the size you want, like the variety of sizes here, so you can just pick anyone that interests you. For me, I'm looking for something that I'm looking for a portrait size, something like that will fit on my home screen, and to set as a reminder to me like every day. So I would go with Pinterest. Yeah, this will work. So yeah, I'll pick this. And then next up, you can choose the background. Yeah, so like there are different colors, like there are a lot of colors you can choose from. I like black, because black is black, so I'll pick black. Yeah. And so now that I have a background, yeah, I can like go ahead to like insert the images and the text, like anything you would like to insert, anything that resonates with you. So I'll just go to graphics, and it takes me straight to my like photos on my phone. But then you see that there are other options, so you could choose like options from the app. But then yeah, first thing first would be like for my photos, I'd already like saved images. So right here is a school that I had cropped out the image, because like I plan on going for my LLM this year. So yeah, this is gonna be on my vision board because I'm working towards it. So it's the first thing on my vision board. Yeah, so I can just insert a text like showing that okay, plans for LLM. Yeah, so you can change the fonts and change the color. So I'll just change the fonts, even though I really cannot see. But yeah, uh, okay. And then I can change the color like to whatever color I want it, but it doesn't really matter. So yeah, okay, this would do. So I'll just like place it there, and yeah. So as you can see, like first thing on my vision board is my like plans for LLM. So yeah. So now after putting that up, I'm gonna go back to graphics, and then media, because I'm looking for the YouTube icon. Yeah, so there you go. And when here, some like resize it, and then I place it on the top left corner of the board. Yeah, because I plan on growing my YouTube channel this year compared to like when I started last year. So I'm gonna just like insert a text that like I'm looking to achieve like 1K subscribers by the end of first half of 2020. The first half, so I'll just use H1. I was taught H1 by like my finance colleagues in the office. That's what finance people use. So yeah, I'm gonna like change the color to what I used before, maybe, and then resize and change the color to white. Yeah, white doesn't look bad actually. So yeah, I'll place it on the YouTube icon, and I should change the color for LLM equally. So change to white. Yeah, it looks better. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna just like place it here, and move this. This should be okay. And then I'm also gonna move this like up here. Yeah, that looks better. But it doesn't really matter how you decide to like place. It doesn't really matter how you decide to like place these images on your board. It's just all about placing the images on your board and the text. So that's just it. So yeah, I'm placing this better to say that it's like comes out really good for me. So back to graphics. Back to graphics, and then back to like images on my phone, so that I can place other stuff on my board. So yeah, next up is here my plan to go to like cafe. So I have this like video I made on a plane one. So like I just got a screenshot, edited, and like Lagos to cafe. So I'll just place this at the bottom because I mean it's my plan for like later on in the year, like maybe ending of the year or so. So yeah, and that's it. Next up, yeah, this I'm looking for where did that image go to? You guys don't mind me. So yeah, this is it. So body goals, I mean, you guys, I'm planning to start going to the gym this year. Like, I mean, I need to get my body back in shape. I've been like eating, and my tummy has grown like bigger, and I need to go back to this. This is not like my picture, like it's just a picture I found on the internet. So yeah, and I'm working towards this body. So it's going on my vision board. Okay. Yeah. Besides that, well, I'll just place it back there and I'll just fix something in that space. But yeah, back to graphics. Okay. So yeah, it looks good. Yeah. So savings, guys. I cannot like, for me, like I'm a good saver, but I just need to save more. I feel like I can do more. I can do better. So yeah, next up, I would go for investment. I need to start real estate investments. Like, I need it in my life. So this is just a reminder. And then the next up, yes, spiritual. Like I need to be more spiritual. I need to like give God priority, go to church, fellowship more, pray more, yeah, and finally take my membership class. So that's it. Elevation Church, that's the church I attend, so that should go there. Fits perfectly. Does it not? You tell me. Next up, positive vibes. Like I need to surround myself with people like who ooze positive energy. I don't even need bad energy around me this year because you guys. So yeah, I'm putting it up there to remind myself that only positive mind, positive vibes, positive life, positive energy is what I should surround myself with. So yeah, that's it. So I am right now, I'll go back to graphics, but I don't know, I'm worried about that space, but I mean it's just a vision board, so it's not something I'm supposed to be very worried about. So yeah, back here, investment. So other than investing in real estate, I plan on like investing in other portfolios. So yeah, this should go here. Like I had to like turn it so that it could fit that empty space right there. Here. And now we are going to place this at the bottom here. So yeah, this is an online platform where like law firms, lawyers like post articles. You see articles from like different countries, different continents. So this year I plan to be a contributor, plan to like post my articles on Mondarch and all of that. So ta-da, there you go. And that should be it. So let me look for, I'd written everything down on my notebook, so but in case I'm missing anything or any image I had saved, we'll just go through my images. And yeah, this exactly. So I'm gonna fix that somewhere, because like I plan on going for like vacations, more vacations you guys. So yeah, I have to like, yeah, not just work, but also like vacation, see the world and all of that. So yeah guys, this is it. You can edit if you want, but honestly there's no need to edit. It's just a vision board. So yeah, these are the options for editing. And okay, I'll just save this in my camera roll because I need it to go on my wallpaper ASAP. You feel me? Yeah, I feel you. So yeah, going to my set images. Yeah, it's saved on my camera roll. Then I would go back to my settings, wallpaper, and I can choose it as my wallpaper. And then yeah, I complete it there, and it saves as a reminder to me, oh Mk, these are your goals, these are the things you need to do in 2020. This is like my priority. So and then I'll just like strategize and do what has to be done and set my goals and be happy. Yeah, so other than this app, there are other apps yeah, opening it again. So like my first vision board, I wanted to use it using, like I wanted to do it using the Canva app. I had like something I had started but I had not completed, because I didn't really like the template here. So I would just create my own canvas and then place the images on there. So this is the first vision board I had created. But if you like it, you can use it, but I'll just rather use Pick Money, whatever. Pick Monkey, Pick Money. You shall know the app. So yeah, this is it. So I really like Pick Monkey, and I kept saying Pick Money. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, so this is my vision board for 2020. I'm trying to like put vision board 2020 on top, so I'm just going to try to like resize the images and bring them down a little bit so that I can just insert a text on the top of the board, vision board 2020. So yeah, trying to resize the images on top and bring them like a bit down.
Guys, hope you liked it. And if you like it, please hit the like button. When you and if you're yet to do your vision board, that's not mine is like a whole, like there are a lot of things about it, but I just want to show you guys how to make a vision board using the app. So yeah, thank you.